Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen on R6 Xbox. The Cronus Zen device allows for advanced controller customization and script execution, enhancing your gameplay experience. We will cover its setup, loading game packs, and optimizing settings for Rainbow Six Siege. This guide aims to provide clear, step-by-step instructions to get you started quickly and efficiently. Understanding these steps is crucial for maximizing the device's potential. Setting up your Cronus Zen involves a few key steps. First, connect the Zen to your computer and install the Zen Studio software. You'll need to update the device's firmware to the latest version for optimal performance. Next, connect the Zen to your Xbox console using the provided short micro USB cable. Finally, plug your Xbox controller into the Zen's one USB port. Look for the green lights to confirm a successful connection, indicating it's ready for use. Now, let's talk about game packs and scripts for Rainbow Six Siege. Game packs are precompiled modifications created by experienced users, offering various enhancements. Zen Studio is your hub for accessing a vast library of these game packs and custom GPC scripts. To load one, simply drag and drop your desired game pack or script from the library onto an empty memory slot within the Zen Studio Programmer tab. This process saves the modifications directly to your Cronus Zen device. To truly optimize your Zen experience in Rainbow Six Siege, careful adjustments are essential. Begin by matching your in-game controller settings, such as sensitivity and dead zone, to complement your Zen's output. Utilize the Zen's OLED menu to fine-tune specific mod values, like anti-recoil, for each weapon. Experiment with different weapon profiles and mod activators to discover the best combinations for your playstyle. Remember, precise adjustments can significantly enhance your in-game performance and overall experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.